Hello guys, I'm Amandeep and I would like to tell you on the topic standard ACL. What is your standard ACL? So this is my first tutorial and I would like to start on the topic standard ACL. Standard ACL means access control list which are used on the Cisco router. It automatically works like a firewall which we use in general life, and ACL has the work of ACL is to packet filter the packet and works like a firewall. And what's the range of ACL? Standard ACL. The range of standard ACL is 1 to 99. And let me talk what's the rule for applying standard ACL and where they are applied. Standard ACL are always applied close to the destination, not the source. They are always applied close to the destination. And the disadvantage is use of only source IP address. And the other disadvantage while applying standard ACL, if we apply standard ACL on any of the switch or the no on the outbound port of an routers, all other devices which are on the same LAN also cannot be accessed with the same computer. So what's the alternative of standard ACL? It's a use of extended ACL, which I would like to talk on my next tutorial. And which I will be this is my task which I will be performing on this tutorial. My task is to prevent PC number 1, that's this one, to access the server, to prevent accessing the server. Server is this one, this PC. So let me begin my task. I would like to start with the configuration. I have already configured the PC IP address, so I am on this router. CLM mod, no, enable, config terminal. Let's check for the interface. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Let's give the IP address. IP address 192.168.10.1, means it is /24, so subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Now no shit command. Now give interface on the exit this interface serial 0/1/0 and give IP address as 10.0.0.1 255.255.255.252 because the subnet mask is /30. Now shut, give a clock rate 64,000, exit, and apply a router rip version number 2. Now network, and I am going to use classful network 10.0.0.0 network 192.168.10.0. That's all we need to do on this router. Let's move on router number 2. Now network mode, config terminal. Let's give it IP address, interface serial 0/1/0, IP address 10.0.0.2 255.255.255.252. Oh sorry, 252. No and let's exit this interface fast Ethernet 0/1, IP address 192.168.11.1 subnet mask 255.255.0, no shut, exit interface fast ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.12.1, 255.255.255.0, no shut, exit, router rip, version number 2, network 192.168.12.0, network 192.168.11.0, and the last network is network 10.0.0.0, and no auto summary, exit. Hope so. We are done with the basic configuration. Router width, no auto summary, exit. We are done with the basic configuration. Before applying ACL, I would like to show whether packets are delivering on the server. Let's check. This PC to this server. Just we need to wait for 2 more seconds. Ping 192.168.12.2. We are getting the reply. That means it's working. Let's check for web browser. Type the URL 192.168.12.2. It's working. Now, since my task is to prevent the PC number 192.168.10.2 to access this server, so we will be applying the standard ACL on the outbound interface of this router. That is, we will be applying standard ACL on fast Ethernet 00. So let's apply. Access list number 1, deny 192.168.10.2, and subnet mask 0.0.0.0. Why we are writing 0.0.0.0? Because we are preventing the access of single PC which has a subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 255, and we calculate the wildcard mask by subtracting 255.255.255.255 from the given subnet mask. And interface fast Ethernet 0/0, IP access group number, the name of the access list, and where we are applying out. That's all. We are done with our configuration. Standard ACL. Let's check it. PC number 1, command prompt, let's ping. It's showing destination host unreachable from 10.0.0.2. That means that's the IP address of the router, and it's showing destination host unreachable. Let's check whether it can access the browser or not. 192.168.10, sorry, .12.2. Request timeout. That means we are successful. The main disadvantage of this standard ACL is that we can't even access the PC number 0, which has an IP address 192.168.12.3. Like, we can't access the same LAN. That's a basic disadvantage of. Let's try ping 192.168.12.3. Showing destination host unreachable. So it can be rectified using extended ACL that I would like to teach you in my next tutorial. Thank you guys. Keep subscribing my channel. Hope to see you on next tutorial.